Hi, it's me, the Aquarist for Fun. It's been more than 3 months since my initial review of the Chihiros WRGB II. I'll be giving you my final review and verdict, and we'll see if I'll still be able to recommend this light for you in 2021. So please watch till the end, or you can just skip it like any other loser out there. Okay, so let's get right through it. Let's talk about topic number 1. What are my current settings for the Chihiros WRGB II? Okay, so from my previous scape, which is this one, reds are at 60%, green at 40%, and blue at 60%. So that's 60, 40, 60%. For my current scape, as you can see, I used the preset option, which is called Views. So basically, reds are at 81%, greens are at 65%, and blues are at 100%. Why did I go for that setting? Well, that's because I'm trying to grow a carpet plant, which is Eucharis acicularis mini, or the mini dwarf hairgrass. Also, my plant mass is more than 70% of the total surface area. That's why I needed more power, baby. Lighting period, as always, 8 hours with a 30-minute ramp up time. No, actually, I have 1 hour ramp up time for this scape. Another question is, can it support carpeting plants at the substrate level? Well, yes, definitely. Yes! Monte Carlo will definitely not cause any problems. Dwarf hairgrass, as you can see, I'm not having any problems as well. And if you fine-tune your settings, I'm sure Hemianthus cuba or a glossostigma won't cause any problems. Okay, pro tip. Just make sure that there's nothing obstructing that light source reaching the substrate level. In my current scape, as you can see, the Redmore wood right here is blocking the light around this area. That's why my dwarf hairgrass around this area is kind of sparse compared to this side. Does my light ever get hard? No. Hot. Does my light ever get hot? It's warm, but it's never hot. Not once did it ever feel like it's getting too hot. And yes, even on max settings. Do you want to know what's hot? Subscribing to my YouTube channel. So give that red hot subscribe button down there some love. And don't forget to smash that like button. Yeah, boy. Next, let's talk about upgrades. Do you remember from my initial impressions video, I mentioned something about having upgrades? Well, I've given my light some pizzazz. I got this clean acrylic stand for my lights and it's looking mighty fresh. Since we're talking about upgrades, I'd like to mention that there was this one time when I opened the app and it prompted me to upgrade the light's firmware. I'm not 100% sure what the firmware update is about, but hey, an update is an update. And since we've touched the topic about the app, I'm on a roll with the segues.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Let's talk about the app, which is called My Chihiros. My Chihiros app have had some feedbacks from some users about it being too convoluted or sometimes a bit buggy. My personal take on this is that at least the light has an app that can connect through Bluetooth. Chihiros, if you're listening to this, your app needs some work. Make it more user-friendly, I guess. I didn't have any problems with the app. I can get the results that I want. But for some users, it might be too complicated. Another important topic is, was it worth the price? Yes, definitely. With all the things you get and could get, its price to value ratio is definitely one of the best, if not the best. You get high intensity lights, wherein you can grow almost any plant. I think around 95-98% of the species available in the aquascaping hobby. You also get fine-tuning options through the My Chihiros app, and they've given you options to upgrade your lights via the acrylic stand, the hanging light stand kit, and there are also shades available if the light's bothering you. Listen, the competition within this performance bracket don't offer all these options fully. ADA, a very great light, but doesn't give you the option to fine-tune the settings yourself. TwinStar, as far as I know, at the moment, they don't offer any Bluetooth or Wi-Fi controls out of the box. You have to buy a separate controller, which you can get with the Chihiros WRGB II out of the box. Fluval Lights has connectivity through their Fluval app, but to be honest, Fluval Lights cannot keep up with the likes of Chihiros, TwinStar, and ADA. ONF products, they're very good, but pushing your budgets to the limit is one thing. With ONF, it can basically leave an ordinary aquascaper bankrupt. Next topic is, were there any problems since I've bought the lights? Honestly, it has performed well and it has aged well as well. Well. Is the WRGB II by Chihiros still worth it in 2021? The Chihiros WRGB II is definitely one of the best investments I've made in this hobby, and I am still more than happy to recommend this light for every aquascaper out there. But do keep in mind that I've seen Chihiros slowly pushing out iterative versions of the WRGB II, which is called the WRGB II Slim. I don't have any ideas about its performance as of yet, but it's definitely one worth to keep an eye on. Also, there's an updated version in the Vivid line, which is the Chihiros Vivid Mini. Same thing, definitely worth keeping an eye on. So, there you go. For more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe, because in this channel, I talk about aquascaping, fish keeping, and some more general tips and guides on how to be a better aquarist. So, that's it for me. I'm the Aquarist for Fun. Bye.